The question was, if I have this block and I push with the force of 3 newtons to the side and it doesn't move, what is the magnitude of the frictional force? So here's my block, 1 kilogram. The coefficient of friction is 0.5, and I push with 3 newtons that way. Now, you might say, oh, I can calculate the force of friction. It's the coefficient of friction times the normal force, and the normal force is the weight because it's just on a flat surface. And you would draw a free body diagram like this. And that's a good idea. But the frictional force is a weird force. It's a force of constraint that applies whatever force it needs to make things not slide. So if you put in 0.5 and a normal force of 10, you get 5 newtons. But that would mean that the friction force would be pushing back that way 5 newtons and it would move back. So instead, it's going to be less than that. It's going to be whatever it needs to make the thing not move. So the net force is 0. So the frictional force has to be equal to the push in this case. So be careful with